What's the meaning of ballroom dancing? Ballroom dancing. Ballroom dancing.
Ballroom dancing. Ballroom dancing. Ballroom dancing refers to a set of partner dances that are performed socially or competitively on a dance floor. It is an elegant and sophisticated art that originated in the 19th century among the European upper class. The different styles of ballroom dancing include the waltz, tango, foxtrot, quickstep, and Viennese waltz. These dances require precise footwork, balance, and coordination between partners. Ballroom dancing can be enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds and is popular around the world. It is not only an enjoyable recreational activity but also has numerous health benefits such as improving cardiovascular fitness, reducing stress, and enhancing social skills.